Okay, I am standing up because my lighting is a little bit higher than it normally is because I need to do this unboxing properly. But hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming through. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nika Friedel, aka Nika F, and I welcome you all to my channel. So I'm sure you can tell from the title of this video that we are going to get into a Manolo Blahnik unboxing. Ooh, yes, it was specially gift wrapped for my birthday, and we're going to unbox it. And then of course we're going to talk about sizing, and if you guys are interested in purchasing for yourself, hopefully my sizing review will help you. So if you want to see what shoes I got, what color I got, you can probably guess what color I got because I've been telling you I've been obsessed with this color lately. It's just been making me so happy. Then keep on watching. I just kind of want to go over the details of the shoe. So as you can see, it is a yellow satin jewel buckled pump, and the upper is 68% viscose, 32% silk. The sole is 100% cow leather, and the lining is 100% kid leather. And the heel measures 105 millimeters, so 105 millimeters. So that's a little bit over 4 inches, if I'm not mistaken. So technically it is 4.13 inches. So I am gonna go over sizing in just a few minutes, but I just wanted to show you the shoe and show you the gunmetal jewels on top. It is absolutely stunning. It is absolutely stunning. I did get a size 38. But again, I'm going to go over the sizing shortly. I just wanted to show you, I wanted to do the unboxing for you. As I'm looking at the shoes, I love them and I'm very happy that I got them. They really just give me life. I just feel like they look so much brighter on camera. Not that they aren't bright in person, but they're more of a marigold yellow versus a like super bright sunshine yellow, if that makes sense. But definitely still beautiful either way. Sometimes I wonder what it would look like if it had like the white crystals on it versus the gunmetal, but I do like the gunmetal as well. I started to get very self-conscious because like I have on like little short shorts, like little biker shorts, and I was getting very conscious of my legs and my skin. I ended up having like a little pimple on my leg, and of course I picked it and now it looks terrible. But you know, this is my natural body. This is my real skin. Well, real skin, we all have real skin, but this is my skin. I love my skin and all the little blemishes that are there, and you know, that's just it. So I do have a wide foot. So I'm just kind of like used to, if I'm wearing a shoe, sometimes my feet will kind of like spill over a little bit on the sides. Not all the time, but most of the time that happens. And I kind of have just learned to live with it if I'm gonna wear heels. Those are just my feet. They're gonna spill over, and you know, just slightly, but I live with it because I love my shoes. And even if I got 2 sizes bigger, my feet are not going to not spill over just because I got 2 sizes bigger. Okay, so here is the shoe. I will say that because it's such a bright color and it's not like a black, or I know they have navy, they have like a charcoal, or I think it's called dove gray. I just feel like I'm kind of handling it with kitten gloves, if that's what it's called. I feel like I have to handle it a little bit more carefully. I have to be more cautious because I don't want to get anything on the shoe. I wasn't going to try it on, but I was like, you know what? That's really part of these like shoe unboxing videos. But because I've never gotten a pair, this is my first ever pair of Manolo Blahniks. I wanted to, you know, just briefly try it on for you. All right, so I got this shoe in a size 38. And I honestly have been thinking I want to do a sizing discussion about like designer shoes, because I have a couple of pairs of designer shoes and I want to just talk about sizing, because you know, like even like me, before I bought any shoes, I used to have a lot of questions about sizing, because you know, it's not, even though it's designer, it's not even across the board. So if you order something in one size, that may not be the same size, you're gonna order it in a different brand. So let me know, thumbs this video up if you want to see a video talking about sizing, because I can easily do that. If you go on the website, specifically for the Hangisi pumps, it'll tell you that it fits half a size larger from your true size, so go half a size down, right? So my size, normally I'm a US size 8, but I always check. So whatever designer I go with, I always check to see what their conversion is, because sometimes the conversion is 38.5, sometimes the conversion is 38, and sometimes the conversion is 39, depending on how small the shoe runs. So I have designer shoes that go from 38 to 39, because it's like, it's okay to get a bigger size. It's okay. If this is the last size that they have and they don't have a size that really fits you, that means it wasn't meant for you to buy. You can get it, they'll come out with another color in a week and a half, 2 weeks, month tops, and then you get that color. Or they might restock. But it's always better, especially if you're doing something, if you're paying for something high end. So for example, these shoes were $995. I'm not going to buy a shoe for $995 that's not going to fit. Do you feel me? I ordered this shoe directly from Manolo Blahnik, from the Manolo Blahnik website. But if you get it from like Saks or Bergdorf's or Neiman Marcus, which is more of, you know, an American brand or an American store, then you usually have to go up half a size because they fit smaller. But yeah, totally let me know if you guys want to, if you all want to hear, you know, my recommendations for sizing, because I'm pretty good with this stuff. I would have to say that I'm pretty good with this stuff. You know, we're starting to go outside a little bit, and of course my birthday is tomorrow, so yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna go with these, even though this is a beautiful shoe. I kind of just bought this because yellow just makes me feel good, and I'm probably gonna get a yellow pedicure. I think I can do yellow. Let me just make that more clear. So again, more US sites, so Saks Fifth Avenue, Bergdorf Goodman, Neiman Marcus, you would get half a size up. Now, if you're ordering it from Browns, from Savannah's, from Luisa Viroma, hopefully I said that correctly, or if you order directly from the Manolo Blahnik website, which are more UK, European websites, because it also depends on the factory that they're being handmade at, or the warehouse, the factory, wherever it's being made. And again, Brittany Pockets and Bows channel goes over like the dots. Mine has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Mine has 5 dots. So it was made in the factory that has the 5 dots, because I think there's shoes that have 1 dot, there's shoes that have 3 dots, shoes that have 5 dots. So mine has 5 dots. But in order for you to be more clear as to what the dots mean, I would totally go to her channel. I will link it in my description box so you can watch her video, so she can go more in depth on what that means for sizing. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed my video. My birthday is tomorrow, June 16th. Boop, boop, boop. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Tupac. And anybody who celebrates their birthday on June 16th, shout out to Berlin, because I know we have the same birthday. So I'm gonna go be a Gemini and go enjoy myself, go enjoy my life, and just continue to show gratitude for each and every day. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. Do not forget to thumbs this video up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be coming with more soon. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.